Meaning of hippodrome.
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 Hippodrome. The word hippodrome refers to a large arena or stadium used for horse racing and other equestrian events. Historically, hippodromes were popular in ancient Greece and Rome, as well as throughout the Byzantine Empire. The term is derived from the Greek words hippos, meaning horse, and dramos, meaning course or race. Today, the word is rarely used outside of historical or cultural contexts, but it continues to evoke images of powerful horses, skilled riders, and thrilling competitions that have captivated audiences for centuries.